Hello everyone, Maurice Munene. In today's session, we are going to discuss more of the grouped data and ungrouped data. And with me here, I have an example that we are going to do, where we have obtained the mean, median, and the mode from the following data. We are given that the data is equals to A there, that 5 plus 43 plus 48 plus 45 plus 48. So, and we know for us to get the median for the mean for our grouped data, we can say that maybe our mean, which we can abbreviate as x bar, is given by the summation of x and divided by the total observation. And in this case, we can say that to get this mean, we can say is equals to, we had the total data that we have, so we get the total of x, which is given by that 5, then plus 43 plus 48 plus 49 plus 48 plus 45 plus 52, then plus 54 plus 64 plus 62, and then all these we divide by the total observation. In case we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so divided by 10. So if I add all these, I'm going to get equivalent to 500 divided by 10, which gives me the mean of 50. So that is how I can be able to get the mean using the grouped. The next thing, I get the median of this data. And to get the median of this data, the first thing that I need to do, it is to rearrange my data in ascending order. And this data arranged in ascending order becomes, the first one here is that 5, then I have maybe 43, I have maybe 45, I have maybe, the next one is from 45 here, I have 48, then I also have another 48, then I have 49, here, and then from 49 there I have a 52, then I have a 62, and I have a 64. Then for me to get the number that is at the median here, I can say that median position will be given by n plus 1 divided by 2, so which is equivalent to 10, then plus 1 divided by 2, which is 11 divided by 2, to give me a 5.5 hard position. And the number that is at that position, if I work here, I have 1 2 3 4 5. So my median number will be given by 48 plus 49, then all this I divide by 2, which gives me a 48.5. And then to get the mode is the most repeated number. And in this case, my mode, the most repeated number is a 48. So my mode is equals to 48. So now let us see how we can get these using the median. So using the grouped data, for us to be able to get the mean, we know that mean is equals to fx divided by the summation of fx divided by the summation of f, and the summation of f. For us to get that here in a grouped data, we need first of all to get the midpoint. And the midpoint, we had the class intervals here, which we have, and our class interval in this case is maybe the first one is a 1 plus 10, then divided by 2, so you get 11 divided by 2, which gives us a 5.5, a 5.5, and then 11 plus 20 divided by 2, which gives us a 15.5 here. And then we also have a 21 plus 30, which gives us a 25.5 here. And then we have 31 plus 50, which gives us a 35.5, and then we have the other one, which gives us a 45.5 here. Then we have a 55.5 here, and then we have a 65.5 there, and then we have a 75.5, and then we have a 85.5, and then we have a 95. We have a 95.5. So the next thing is for us to get the fx. We multiply this frequency and the midpoint. So 3 multiplied by 5.5. Here we get a 16.5, and then 4 multiplied by 15.5, we get a 62 here, and then we have 2 multiplied by 25.5, we get here a 51, and then we have that 5 multiplied by that 5.5, we get a 177.5, and then 8 multiplied by 45, we get a 364 here, and then 55.5 multiplied that, we get a 610.5, and then we have 2 multiplied by 65, we get this one as 131, and then for us to be able to get 1, this one remains to be 75.5, and then the other one 81, and that which gives us a 256.5, and then the last one, which is a 95, So the next thing, we get this total fx here, which gives us, if you add this, you get 1,840, and then when you get this column here, f, this one is equivalent to 40. So now our mean here, we can say, is equals to 840 divided by 40, and this gives us our mean is equivalent to 46. So that is how you can get the mean of the grouped data. So next, let us get the median. And for us to get the median, remember we had this. For us to be able to get the median, what we need to have is a cumulative frequency. And remember we had the cumulative frequency with the above frequencies. So here we have 3. So that you can have the cumulative frequency here. and then 3 plus 4 we get 7, and then 7 plus that you get a 9, and then 9 plus this you get a 14, and then 12 plus 8 you get a 22 here, and then 22 plus that you get a 33, and then 33 plus 2 you get a 35, and then 35 plus 1 you get a 36, and then 36 plus 3 you get a 39, and then 39 plus 1 you get a 40. So that is our total cumulative frequency there. And then for us to be able to get the median, you know that median, you can say that median is equals to lower class, then added to n divided by 2, then we minus the cumulative frequency, and then we divide by the median frequency here, then this we multiply by the class interval. And to get the position where our median lies, we are going to say to use n plus 1 divided by 2. So in this case it's 40 all over 2 then plus 1, which gives a 20.5. So 20.5 is in between. So we locate this one to be our median class. That one to be our median class. So we take the lower limit for that, which is 40.5. Then we add it to, we are 20.5. Then minus our cumulative frequency is 14. Then we divide by our class frequency, which is equals to 8. Then all these we multiply by 10. We multiply by 10. So if we output these, we are going to have 40.5 now, then plus this one we subtract to get 6.5 divided by 8, then multiplied by 10. So this is the same as 40.5 plus, if you add this, you get this one is 6.0. If I work it out here, this one gives me a 8.125, and if I add this, I get the answer is 40.628, and this one becomes my median. So the next thing is for me to get the mode. And to get this mode, I say that the mode is always given by, my mode will be equivalent to f mode. The mode is given by L, then added to my f mode minus my f1, then divided by 2 fm minus f1 minus f2, or these I multiply by class height, my class height. So in this case, I'm going to realize my model class is equals to this. This is my model class. So my fm in this case is equals to 8, and then my f1 is equals my fm is equals to 11 here. Then my f1 is equals to 8, and then my f2, this one is equals to 2. So now with that, my lower class limit here is equals to 50.5. Then plus here we have my f1 11 divided by minus my immediate or preceding mode here of 8, then divided by 2, multiplied by 11, then minus my mode F1 here, which is equivalent to 8, then minus F2, which is equivalent to 2, then all these I multiply by 10. So when I work out this, I'm going to have this. I'm going to have my answer being equivalent to 50.5, then plus here 11 minus 3, 8 becomes out of 2 times 11 is equals to 22, then minus 8 is equal to 14 minus 2, so this becomes 12, and then I multiply by 10 here. So when I multiply this by 10, my answer that I'm going to get 50.5 added to 2.5, so which gives me a 53. And you can see this 53 lies in between that, and that brings to the end of this session. I was your trainer, Maurice Monene. If you found it of any importance, consider subscribing, like, and share it to many platforms. Thank you.